we have 5 classes of human being. Number one, we have the Oba and his children. They are first class. They have immunity. Anytime the Oba of Bini pass away or his children pass away, they have to use our own people to bury them. So that is number one. Number two, we have the second class. That is, they have immunity. You don't use them for sacrifice. They are both. These are the brothers of the Oba. That is number two. Then number three, we have the ACCAC. Some people are calling themselves ACCAC. You see, when Olumide Akpata, that former governorship candidate, went to Oba Palace, say, I'm from this palace. Oba Ewari say, second say, no. I have asked them, they say, you are not from here. You are ACCAC. The ACCAC are the people that came from Ife. They are the original ACCAC. Do you know the what is ACCAC? These are freeborn. Freeborn. You understand? They have immunity. You don't use them for anything sacrifice. ACCAC are those families that came from Ife. Some of them get Labo, like the Oloton royal family, Bamiwo family, Oni family. Yeah, and these are the ACCAC. They are even chiefs family. They are from Ife. I belong to the fourth group. We are known as Oviomba. I will not lie. I swear to God. We are known as Oviomba because
Even Lanky too, because it's not
Oviomba. Let them be denying their class. I don't deny my class. If I deny my class, God will punish me. So now, people like us are now regarded as Oviomba. Oviomba means slaves to the Oba. Then we Oba Abini can decide to use us for sacrifice or can anything he want to do with us. When we go to the Oba Palace, we are not even talking about this generation. We will say this is how we say it in Oba Palace. Before you can speak in Oba Palace, maybe they are trying to hide it now. You will say Oba talk you say Oba may you live long. You will say this is what you should say before the Oba. You say let me use English to say. Let me use my. They say I'm not a Bini man. Let me use Bini and English to say it. Ọba àtọpẹ kímẹ kẹgbẹmẹ kìrìmẹ ọviẹwẹ màhìn ariana magabiri agbọn ariare ọviẹwẹ màhìn arin. Meaning, translation in English mean me, my father, my mother, my children, and my entire family. We are all slaves to the Oba of Benin in this very world we are. And if we pass away, we come another world. We will start from where we stop in this life. From another generation, we will still continue to be slave forever and ever. You will say this before you can say anything you want to say before the Oba. This is 100% truth. Now, that is the fourth class where we belong to. People that belong to fourth class, they are now claiming third class. I'm sorry for them. Now, the fifth class is called Ovioma. Ovioma means we that are slaves, we are even empowered by the Oba to also have slaves. You understand? So Ovioma means, I don't want to mention the tribe. All those tribes that are surrounding Benin, let me
like
just mention their names.
Igbo.
Let me just mention their names.
Isobo.
No, let me just mention their names. According to the Benin law and custom, that is where I'm quoting from. I have the book, Benin law and custom. Now, Urobo, Isoko, Igbo, then others, all those Kukuruku, what they call those Aunchi people, all of them are regarded as Ovioma according to the Benin law and customs. So now that is a group. So that is why you see, anytime you see a gathering of the Igbos, I said Igbo, all those Delta Igbos, all those Urobo, all those Esa, all those people, all those around before we started this movement, when they want to make marriage, they will first of all ask, is anybody from Oba Palace here? That is to show that they are not saying that Oba Palace, they are referring to the Oba, his children, his family, and this is his Ese people. If these people they are talking from number 1 to number 3, they are not there. They want to break cola. They say, okay, they are not there. We that are the slave to the Oba, is any slave here? This any Binima here, anybody who say Binima
I don't
they are a
die.
slave. Is any Binima here? He say, yes, so a slave will come and break cola. excuse me.
Like
Excuse
you
me.
get it,
So,
boo.
excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. So now, do you know what they did? That's what they say. We, the slave, even have rights. That's why if you see a Benin man, he'll be raising ego that the Oba of Benin have promoted him. Even being a slave is even higher than the rest people around that very place. So now we have 5 classes of human being. So now what they did, there's one other one called Igbon, which is supposed to be ceased, but it's not recognized in Benin law and custom. Igbon are people from Delta Igbo. You understand? Delta Igbo. I am not the one saying it to this the Benin law and custom, their tradition. Those Igbo are being regarded as Igbo. They have a very if you have your own house now, you just have somewhere like a hunt, just like when you have animal in your compound. That is how they rear the Igbos in those days. I'm not talking about the Igbo from the other side, or those ones they capture around Delta. They call them Igbo. Igbonomama. That is something that I've not. I think this word is a Yoruba word. So the Oba Bini bring this word. Igbo. Igbo no mama. You understand? No something. Igbo. That is Igbo. That is how they used to do it. This is our class. Me myself, I am a slave. But today I say no, I'm no longer doing slave again. I want to be free. But the only thing that is surprising me, a slave like me will come out and be telling the whole world that he belongs to the third class.